Wow!
Hello everyone, this is Liferos Greco and I am going to be your mathematics teacher for this episode. So for today's video, we are going to discuss about the multiplication of whole numbers, particularly on visualizing multiplication of numbers by 6 and 7. Now at the end of our lesson, we are going to present visualizing multiplication of numbers 1 to 10 by 6 and 7 and give the right answer or the product, and of course demonstrate properly in deducting the test. Now our journey in learning is starting, and may you like and enjoy the activities prepared for you because this lesson focuses on visualizing multiplication of numbers by 6 and 7. But wait, before we proceed to our discussion, let us first try to answer the following pre-test for our discussion.
Now try to answer the following by encircling the letter of your correct answer. Number 1, 2 plus 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 2 is equal to blank. Letter A, 2 times 6. B, 2 times 5. C, 2 times 4. And letter D, 2 times 9. Number 2, 5 times 4 is equal to A, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. B, 5 plus 5 plus 5. C, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And letter D, 5 plus 5. Number 3, we have 3 sets of 0. Each set contains 8 0. Your choices are letter A, 8 plus 8 plus 8. Letter B, 9 plus 9 plus 9. Letter C, 7 plus 7 plus 7. And letter D, 6 plus 6 plus 6. Number 4 question. 2 has 3 boxes of coconuts. Each box has 2 coconuts. How many coconuts are there in total? Letter A, 3. Letter B, 4. Letter C, 5. And letter D, 6. Last question. Alice bought 5 trays of pineapple. Each tray has 3 pineapples. So how many pineapples did Alice bring? Letter A, 5. B, 8. C, 10. And letter D, 15.
So now let's find out the situation I am going to give to you, and I will read it to you, and please listen to it carefully.
Ammon has different kinds of pencil in a box. He has 6 red, 6 green, 6 blue, 6 yellow, 6 violet, and 6 brown. So how many pencils does Ammon have? The questions are, how many sets of pencils does Ammon have? How many pencils are there in every set? How many pencils are there? Now, based on the situation, there are 6 sets of pencils in a box and there are 6 pencils in every set. That's why there are 36 pencils all in all.
The visualizing multiplication of numbers by 6 and 7 is a repeated addition. For example,
you have to determine if how many sets of arrows are there and count the number of arrows in a set. And later, count how many arrows are there in total. So the answer is, there are 7 sets of arrows. There are 3 arrows in each set. That's why there are 21 arrows all in all. This is the repeated addition sentence. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 21. And this is the way on how to write the multiplication sentence. 7 times 3 is equal to 21.
Remember that multiplication is a repeated addition. In getting the answer or the product, multiply the multiplicand through the multiplier, while the multiplier is the number with which we multiply. However, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. Multiplicand is the name given to a number being multiplied by another number. Now, let us try to answer another activity.
Fill in the blank the correct answer. 6 times 2 is equal to blank. Now, if your answer is 12, then you're right. Next one is 6 times 3. What is your answer? If your answer is 18, very good. You're right. Next one is 6 times 6. What is your answer? If your answer is 36, correct. You're right again. We now have 6 times 8. Now, what is your answer? Is your answer 48? Wow, amazing. You're right again. Okay, last but not the least, 6 times 9. Okay, what is your answer? Is your answer 54? Yes, that is correct.
Now that you have determined everything very well, good to know that you are ready to impose your learnings now. Now write down the correct answers of the following questions.
The question is, what number should be multiplied to 7 in order to get the product 56? Is your answer 8? If so, then you're right. Very good. Second, give the correct number to be multiplied to 7 to get the product 63. Well, for this task, 9 is the correct answer. Are you right? Very good. Now for the last number, for part 1, what is the product of 6 times 9? Your answer is correct if your answer is 54. Now for the second part, number 1, 7 times 5 is equal to. If your answer is 35, then you're correct. Next one is 7 times 6. What is your answer? Is your answer 42? Wow, you're correct again. Another one is 6 times 6. Is your answer 36? Wow, very good. You're correct again. Next, 7 times 7 is equal to what? What number? Is your answer 49? Then, you're correct. And lastly, 6 times 8 is equal to? Okay, yes, 48. Very good.
Well, that's it for this video, and I hope you have learned a lot from this episode. I hope to see you soon in our next video, and see you again and continue learning.